Good evening. The ICAC will begin a criminal investigation into its former commissioner Timothy Tong over complaints he misused public funds while in the job. And lawmakers will grill Tong on Saturday at a hearing by the Public Accounts Committee. The committee is looking into dubious spending habits by the anti-graft agency during his tenure. And LegCo President Jang Yuk-sing ended the budget debate this afternoon, but lawmakers who carried out the filibuster are threatening legal action against the move to end their campaign. Japan's neighbors have condemned comments by the mayor of Osaka that wartime sex slaves were necessary. Toru Hashimoto sparked controversy by saying comfort women before and during the Second World War helped the Japanese military maintain discipline. Join us for Marketplace in an hour.